What's up, everybody? It is Mr. Jenkins here from MGMClassicCars.com, Addison, Illinois. Today I'm bringing you this new arrival Volkswagen 1972 Beetle. I'm going to dive deeper into this thing, show you why this thing is so cool. This thing's it's convertible. I got the front trunk open right now, and I got the thing running. And here's pretty much your storage space for this thing. The engine is located in the back. As you can see, got it running. Runs great. You got the dual exhaust tips on the outside chrome. Doors open and close very nicely. Four-speed manual transmission. The miles on the odometer are true miles. Somebody put a Kenwood radio in here at one point. In the glove box, you got some manuals. Somebody put air conditioning in it. Air conditioning was added. Blows cold. This thing was completely restored, and we got it from a collection, third owner. Wipers work. I mean, pretty much everything works. Try the lights out. Lights work. That closes nicely. So if you're looking for a Beetle, everything works on it. This is the one. Turning signals work, everything works. Like I said, everything except for like the horn. Up, it works. So everything does work. There's your heater controls down there. Generally a really cool car. If you are interested in this car, please call us at 847-848-1850. We offer special financing with great monthly payments, shipping all over the United States, open-ended, closed, bonded, and insured. We have around 250 cars in stock. This is our beautiful warehouse showroom in Addison, Illinois. We offer a full service. And we have a full service center for anything that you want taken care of on the car. Talk to your sales representative and get a quote. If there's anything wrong with any of the cars you are interested in, keep checking the website. We get new cars in almost every day. You're not going to want to miss a thing. My name is Mr. Jenkins, and I hope everyone has a really, really good day. And I want to see you here soon picking up the dream car you've always wanted. Because remember, it sure looks good here, but it'll look a whole lot better in your garage. Have a great day, everyone. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Our business hours are 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday, Saturday 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. All by appointment only, by the way. So make an appointment and stop on by. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Bye-bye.